Configure your Google email settings in PetSitter Plus to enable effective communication with your clients and staff. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. For Microsoft email accounts or non-Google accounts, we have other videos to guide you through those setups. You can find the links to those videos in the description box below. To get started, navigate to the Connect tab in the main menu. Then, under the Email Settings menu, select Connect Your Email. Toggle on the option to Send email from your own account. If you have a Google-supplied email address like G Suite, Gmail, or Google Mail, select the Google checkbox under the email configuration type. Top tip! We recommend turning on the option to Only Use for Direct Emails, so that all system-generated emails such as invoices and staff schedules will be sent via PetSitter Plus, which has its own email system, and only your bulk email notifications will be routed via your own connected email. If you leave this setting off, then all emails sent via PetSitter Plus will be routed through the email address that you are about to connect. This might cause problems if your email account has a low daily send limit. Click Update to save your changes. Next, head over to the Email Configuration tab in the Email Settings menu. Enter the Google email address you want to use for sending communications and click Update Email. After this, you'll see the option to Sign in with Google. Click on this to open a new browser window and sign into your Google account as you normally would. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to confirm that you trust PetSitter Plus to connect to your Google account. Make sure to click Continue to grant permission. Afterward, you'll see a success message confirming the connection. You can now close that browser window and return to PetSitter Plus. You're all set! You can now send emails from your own Google email address directly through PetSitter Plus. To verify the connection, click Send Test Email. If successful, a confirmation message will appear on screen, and you will also receive a test email in your Google email account. You'll also notice a new option to bulk email clients from the client search screen. Additionally, other email options will now be available throughout the system, ensuring seamless communication with your clients and staff. And that's it! You've successfully configured your Google email settings in PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.